From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Century Ply, Blue Dart and Fisdom.
Good evening and welcome. After running away from the law and evading the law and going underground for 230 days and more, Parambir, it seems, has been hiding in the country all this while. Can you believe it, viewers? The whole country has been talking about how a person who was once a police commissioner is hiding, and the general sentiment has been that no state government can allow him to operate and with this kind of support, and some people are saying he's in Chandigarh. And I just want to ask here, who's running the government in Chandigarh? How is he getting away? How is he hiding in Chandigarh if he's in Chandigarh? How is it possible that nobody knew where he was? How is it possible? Ladies and gentlemen, Parambir's former partner, Sachin Wazi, and he are under some serious investigation, let's not forget, for some of the worst possible crimes. Worst possible crimes. And people in this country are watching. Honest, tax-paying, middle class of this country are watching. They're asking political parties, including the BJP. They're asking the Congress. They're asking the NCP. They're asking the Shiv Sena. The conscientious, tax-paying middle class of the country is asking the politician, how is this happening? Who's allowing it? I want to know tonight, nobody knows where Parambir is. Truly, you think so, viewers? You think so? You tell me, you really think so? And if he was in Chandigarh, then the police in Chandigarh doesn't know, the state governments don't know, the people running Chandigarh don't know, Punjab does not know, Haryana does not know. If he's been in Haryana or he's been in Punjab, nobody knows where he is. Everybody lost all forms of communication. Viewers, this is a serious case because the uniform has been disgraced and the courts know it. And this country and all of us have witnessed this most unfortunate and ghastly spectacle of two police officers, Wazi and Parambir, mocking the fundamentals of the criminal justice system in the country. And now seeking protection from the law that they walked over. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, hundreds of millions of Indians who have faith in the system are watching this horrific story of Parambir and Wazi play out, and its various episodes play out, and the dirt come out. And the courts know everything. Courts are watching, I'm sure. I'm sure the courts are watching. I'm sure the courts are watching. And the people are watching. I'm sure even the politicians are watching. I just say, viewers, decency matters. And as we see some of the most grimy aspects of this case emerge, stories of bribery, coercion, extortion, fabrication, manipulation. And as the people watch, they are asking tonight, the people are asking, should those who defy in terms of ethics, propriety and decency, and not just in law, get away? Should those who disappear when they choose and appear when they want, I repeat, disappear when they choose, appear when they want, should these kind of people just get away? Who will protect the interests of the citizens? Who will protect the interests of those who abide by the law? Not those who disappear when they want and appear when they won't. Who will protect the citizen who abides by the law? Who should we protect? The person who abides by the law or the person who tries to manipulate and then trample over the law? Ladies and gentlemen, these are very serious questions. And you need to raise your voice. Your gaze is important. Ladies and gentlemen, in cases like this, the public gaze is important upon the activities of people who abuse the law and their office. The public gaze, by which I mean public watching, observing, commenting, feeling, responding, becomes important. And in this case, which is now being colloquially spoken about as the Parambir Waze case, the story of what they did, or, well, allegedly did in Mumbai, is a story that has to end in justice. Justice, viewers, justice. Justice not for those who appear when they want and disappear when they want. No. It has to end in justice for the citizen, for us, for the people of this country. There has to be justice for the citizen, ladies and gentlemen. That's one of our key debates tonight. How did nobody know? Parambir's location, I'm told, has been tracked. Story being put around. He's in Chandigarh. Well, how come nobody knew where he's in Chandigarh? How was he waiting all this while? Are people of this country being fooled? Who allowed him? Are people of this country going to be fooled? Is this what? Slap in the face of the expectations of the citizen? That people who wear the uniform can't get away with things? Ladies and gentlemen, that's a very serious debate tonight. 10 o'clock. And debate number one tonight. They are putting together a super alliance against Yogi. Does this mean that the opposition really thinks they have a impossible chance unless they all come together? And then if they all come together, does Yogi benefit or lose? Big debate, 9 o'clock. And ladies and gentlemen, 10 o'clock tonight. Remember, tonight, channels that took money from crypto companies to mislead you are talking about a crypto crash. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, they should look at their own ethics. We've always said crypto's not cool. That's debate number 3, and here are the headlines. This Wednesday evening on the debate tonight.
जब उसको लेकर अंतिम रूप से कोई बातचीत होगी तो आपको जरूर बताएंगे.
It's going to be Yogi versus all, it seems. Super alliance shaping up in UP. Samajwadi Party tie-up with 4 smaller parties is likely. And tell us what you think about hashtag Yogi versus all. Is this going to help the BJP or go against Yogi? We told you he could have been in hiding in Chandigarh, and Parambir, who everyone's been looking for, seems to be in Chandigarh for 231 days. He's been missing. He can't hide anymore. The interim protection he got, Maharashtra government could challenge it. They want to interrogate Parambir in all the serious cases that he faces. And Sachin Waze pleads to the police, says to them, keep me away from Republic TV. Keep me away from Republic TV reporters. Tough luck, Sachin Waze. And the only channel that told you the truth about crypto. The crypto news breaks on Republic, India's biggest talking point. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not about a crypto crash. The fact is, crypto's never been cool. And ladies and gentlemen, before every election, we hear of a super alliance shaping up to counter the BJP. Akhilesh is on a mission. He wants to put together a super alliance to take on Yogi, which means it's going to be hashtag Yogi versus all. Let's debate.
जितने भी ऑपोजिशन पार्टी साथ आ रही हैं, क्या बीजेपी को दरकिनार कर पाएगा?
देखिए, कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा, कोशिश तो करनी चाहिए।
भाजपा के कुशासन से कैसे उत्तर प्रदेश को मुक्त कराया जाए?
हम उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों के लिए मुलायम सिंह व्यक्ति नहीं है, एक इमोशन है, एक भावना है।
शक्ति के साथ सरकार निपटना भी जानती है।
The road to Lucknow won't be an easy one, and the opposition knows it. Realizing the challenge, Akhilesh is constantly revising his strategy. On Wednesday, he confirmed his alliance with RLD. On Thursday, another ally was on board.
उसी चुनाव को लेकर हमारी अखिलेश जी से चर्चा हुई है और हम लोग मिलकर चुनाव लड़ेंगे।
And there are indications of another possible partnership.
जब उसको लेकर अंतिम रूप से कोई बातचीत होगी तो आपको जरूर बताएंगे।
Akhilesh had already made it clear in the past that he will ally only with smaller parties.
समाजवादी पार्टी की कोशिश रहेगी कि कई दल जो हैं जिनसे बातचीत हो रही है या बातचीत हुई है या उन्होंने कभी कभी मदद की है, छोटे दलों से तो एडजस्टमेंट होगा, लेकिन बड़े दलों से कोई गठबंधन नहीं होगा।
A strategy that is well in the works, with all eyes on AIMIM's next move.
हमारा प्रयास है कि ज़्यादा लोग मोर्चे में आ रहे हैं, तो हम लोग ज़्यादा सीट की बात ना करें, हम लोग जो जिसकी अपनी कैपेसिटी है उसी हिसाब से सीट की बात करें।
But if we go by numbers, can this cobbled up alliance stand up to the force of Yogi Adityanath? Here's the math. The cumulative seat share of the possible super alliance in 2017 was 52 as against BJP's 312. And the vote share was 24.7%. Compare that to BJP's 40% vote share in 2017. Can this super alliance work considering the past record? In 2017, Akhilesh tied up with Rahul, but they couldn't withstand the force of BJP. In 2019, it was the Bua Bhatija combine that was hoping to take on Modi. The alliance failed. So will Akhilesh be third time lucky? Can the combined power of small parties prove to be a force against Yogi? Or is the formula destined to be doomed?
Pro-BJP, Sudhanshu Trivedi, Dr. Ajay Alok of the JDU and Shantanu Gupta. Against BJP, Tanveer Ahmed, JDS, Kamru Chaudhary, Congress, Reena Gupta, Aam Aadmi Party, Abhishek Sudhir supports the Samajwadi Party. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. So, just to understand, I want to ask you, Reena, to start the debate. You are going to tie up with the Samajwadi Party. Why? Why? What's the idea? Yeah.
So what have we seen in the rule of BJP in the past 5 years in Yogi Ji's Raj? We have seen encounter Raj. We have seen rogue sons of a minister just, going over poor, hapless farmers. We have seen bad condition of the youth, high rate of unemployment. During the COVID, we saw dead bodies floating in Gangaji. So what we are saying is this is what we want to fight against. This kind of encounter Raj, this kind of misgovernance, killing of common citizens has to end. And for that, we are discussing a common agenda.
Okay, thank you. No, I have a counter for you. I have a counter for you. Reena, I happen to be acquainted with the Aam Aadmi Party, and even before its inception knew many of its people who then told me they will never enter politics, all of them who ended up taking the dubki into politics, and they swore that they would never enter politics. So, listen, I'm not surprised if political parties change a line. My only question to you is that the one thing which you came into existence for, right, very existence, and anyone asked Arvind Kejriwal, why are you in politics? Oh, I want to fight corruption, right? I want to fight corruption, right? That was your issue. That was your issue. Okay? Now, Samajwadi Party has fielded the most number of candidates with criminal cases in the 7 assembly seats in November 2020. Your party leaders keep talking about we'll never have any deal with anyone who's got anyone in the party who's corrupt, criminal or communal. Gayatri Prajapati, former minister, Samajwadi Party, convicted and sentenced to life in prison in a rape case. You want me to give you more examples. So are you saying today that all the things on which we soared to popularity in our pre-political time of India against corruption and all, nothing matters, defeating BJP matters? What you're saying is that nothing matters anymore, only defeating Yogi matters. So your priorities have changed. So please answer the question, very specific issue. And I also want to tell you that another thing which you used to say, oh, no, we'll do everything, but we won't do this. We hate political dynasties, you know. And you said that, oh, you know, this is on your website. We have, quote unquote, I'm reading from your website, strict rules against dynastic politics. AAP's constitution forbids 2 members of the same family to contest elections or to hold a position or even in an executive body of any party. AAP believes that political dynasties have monopolized entire parties. This has irretrievably, corrosively damaged the democratic vision of the founding fathers of this country. But I'm sorry, this was forgotten before you had this deal or is going to have this deal with Akhilesh, right? So, okay, you understand the question. Answer it specifically. You completely compromised now, eh? From what I gather. Winning UP defeating Yogi in UP elections is more important, right? I understand.
First of all, there is no deal. There is no alliance as of now. There has been a conversation, a very positive conversation,
breaking news,
a discussion of strategy. Can I complete? And whatever Aam Aadmi Party
is this breaking news? Should I carry this as breaking news?
Yes, please go ahead. India against corruption.
I thought you were going to have an alliance.
No, there has been no conclusion, no decisive decision on an alliance. All we are saying is that a conversation has happened.
Are you changing?
Discussion on strategy, discussion on a common agenda, discussion on how do we get rid of encounter Raj, Yogi Raj in UP. Arnab, I come from UP. The condition in UP is so bad.
Reena, listen. Reena. Okay, so I stand corrected. You see Abhishek? 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Reena, you see Abhishek? You see Abhishek? No, 1 second. No. Okay, got it. Let's keep music. See Abhishek? No alliance. You can't even justify alliance right now. Even before Sudhanshu Trivedi has spoken, she said no alliance. I asked 2 questions and she said no alliance. If I ask 3 questions, then what?
Look, Mr.
No alliance,
Mr. Goswami.
Abhishek. And these are not
Mr.
questions
Goswami,
I will ask. Everybody anywhere will ask these questions, Abhishek. You see?
I know the BJP. I know the BJP is panicking. I know the BJP is a sinking ship. Prime Minister Modi looks very weak. He has taken back his farm laws. His 56-inch chest has disappeared. Modi's star is fading. Yogi's career will be over in March. All aboard the Akhilesh Express. All aboard the Akhilesh Express. Mr. Kejriwal, Mamta Banerjee, O.P. Rajbar, Jayant Chaudhary, I can go on and on. Krishna Patel, I can go on and on. All aboard the Akhilesh Express. Destination victory. Destination Lucknow. March 2022, Yogi's career will be over. And May 2024, it's bye-bye Modi. That's all. Okay, so you go ahead and Mr. Goswami.
Okay. Why don't you? Okay, 1 minute.
Mr. Goswami,
1 minute.
Join the Akhilesh Express. Mr. Goswami, hop onto the Akhilesh Express as the leader of the Republic. As the leader of the Republic, I invite you. You are a British educated liberal. I am a British educated liberal. You're a social anthropologist from Oxford. I am a barrister from London. You are a liberal, sir. Mr. Goswami, आपका घर वापसी का time आ गया है. Come back to us, liberals. Come back to, sir, turn your back on the dark side.
All right.
Come back to us, Mr. Oxon, educated social anthropologist. We miss you. I miss the Arnab Goswami I grew up watching. I miss the Arnab Goswami of the News Hour.
Stop it.
Come back.
Abhishek, now stop it. No, Reena. Reena is clarifying. What happened, Reena?
Misses you.
No, we are on the same page that Arnab Goswami का घर वापसी का time आ गया है अब.
Time आ गया है.
All right. Question is. The question is. All right. Reena and Abhishek. Reena and Abhishek. I'm glad you're having a good time. I'm glad you're having a good time. You come. No. Listen. Reena and Abhishek. मैं तो अपने घर में हूँ. I'm in the Republic Studio. This is home. Why don't both of you come over here? I'll serve a nice piping hot lunch for you tomorrow. Come and have lunch with me, right? And let's have the ghar wapsi of the Samajwadi Party and the AAP on my program. मैं अपने घर में हूँ, right? And I invite you to my home. My question is, okay, not to provoke them. See, they got provoked. I'm saying, admit it, Kamru, Abhishek, and Reena, that you can't handle Yogi, so you all need to come together.
We want to handle Yogi.
You can't handle Yogi alone.
At the end of the day, this is a democracy. Anyone can ally with anybody.
No, it's not
Anybody
the question
can
of
ally
Yogi.
with anybody.
BJP did not have the guts.
Sudhanshu Trivedi wants to come in.
2017 to declare the name of Yogi as
Okay,
the
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
candidate.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
BJP did not have the guts.
Sudhanshu, no, 1 minute.
Challenge BJP
No,
to
1
name
second.
BJP
1
as
second.
the future Chief Minister of Uttar
Sudhanshu.
अर्नब अभिषेक जी ने कहा
Sudhanshu, listen. Sudhanshu, 1 minute. Sudhanshu, 1 minute. Sudhanshu, are you nervous? 1 minute. Everyone on, please. Can I have everyone on? Thank you, Anand. Question is Sudhanshu C. Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu ji, C. Can you hear me? Yes, Sudhir doesn't stop. No, look at Abhishek. He's carrying on. Question is, see, Mr. Trivedi, Aam Aadmi Party is gaining ground in UP. You can't dismiss them. In 2017 municipal elections, they won 44 seats, 221 panchayat elections, 70 of candidates backed by the Aam Aadmi Party won Zilla Panchayat members posts, 200 got village pradhan posts. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आम आदमी पार्टी has no presence. Right? In fact, Samajwadi Party won the most seats in the May Panchayat elections. No. So, Owaisi is establishing himself. SBSP, Rajbhar community, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
now can I speak?
Right? Is a significant party. So everybody coming together. Don't dismiss the challenge, please. Don't dismiss. You can't dismiss the challenge.
Arnab, you have said properly that the different parties are there in the fray for different reasons. समाजवादी पार्टी is there क्योंकि उनकी जो जमीन चली गई है उन्हें वापस अपनी जमीन तलाशनी है. बहुजन समाज पार्टी is there, उनकी जमीन खिसक रही है, खिसकती जमीन बचानी है. ओवैसी is there, उनको जगह जगह आग लगानी है. And whether Congress party or आम आदमी पार्टी और RLD is there, उनको अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज करानी है. यानी सबको किसी को जमीन बचानी है, किसी को तलाशनी है, किसी को आग लगानी है, किसी को दर्ज करानी है. सरकार सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बनानी है. Now, if you look at a critical aspect, you have seen that we remember during our childhood days.
Who is he responding to? Come on. Anand,
मुलायम सिंह जी मुख्यमंत्री बने थे. Coming. Let me complete the sentence. जब मुलायम सिंह जी फर्स्ट टाइम सीएम बने थे, बढ़िया अजीत सिंह जी के लोगों ने क्या कहा था? अजीत सिंह को बनने नहीं दिया. तिलक हॉल, December 1st week 1989. Remember, sir, the type of words which were used between मुलायम सिंह यादव and अजीत सिंह जी, when जनता दल एक था, दोनों एक ही पार्टी में थे. और जब इस प्रकार के लोग which was having a venomous animosity against each other, now they are coming hand. Mr. Abhishek, you can understand.
This is
not
becoming nervous. And now
this is ancient history.
2 versus 2 can't.
Jayant Chaudhary and Akhilesh Yadav enjoy excellent
speaker.
अरे भाई,
Jayant Chaudhary and Akhilesh Yadav enjoy an excellent working relationship.
अरे सबकी बात है.
That one switched off. Camera person, go there.
Ji and Akhilesh ji are very close.
Windows, top band.
Are very close. We understand. That's why I am quoting you. भाई चौधरी चरण सिंह जी की मूर्ति क्यों लगवाई थी विधानसभा के गेट पर?
अरे अभिषेक is on the right.
अरे हम लोग
अभिषेक
सबको
and Reena
पता है,
Anand.
नहीं है साहब, बहुत बचपन से देखे। इसीलिए तो मैं कह रहा हूं। अभी क्या हुआ? अभी जानते क्या हुआ? Another challenger has emerged, potential challenger
amazing.
for Ajit Singh ji.
The top man can
I'm not
stay.
saying it's directly politics. Rakesh Tikait.
No,
Though
Anand
after
and
Ajit Singh ji, there
Abhishek
is a
and
challenge.
Reena.
No.
Whether Rakesh Tikait is going to. So that's why there is a nervousness on their
Top
part.
man.
And one more thing I would like to add for Aam Aadmi Party. गायत्री प्रजापति
There is no nervousness.
एकमात्र ऐसे आदमी
There
है
is
जो
no
10 साल के
nervousness.
अंदर बिलो
The
पॉवर्टी
R&D
लाइन
and
से
SP are together.
150 करोड़ पर्सनल
R&D and
प्रॉपर्टी
SP are together.
And this is a
Why
new
आप
politics.
विशेष टिप्पणी क्यों
And
दे
they
रहे
are
हैं?
talking about
भैया
अरे भैया,
आप
मैं बात
अपने
करना
कैंपेन
चाहता हूं।
लड़िए.
They are
You
talking
fight your
about,
election.
UP
Why are you
violence
getting
and law and
nervous
order.
about Jayant
मुझे
Chaudhary and
मुजफ्फरनगर-
Akhilesh coming together?
मुजफ्फरनगर के cases भूल
Why are you
गए?
getting nervous about Jayant Chaudhary and
No,
Akhilesh coming
I'm not
together?
nervous, sir. Those who are
The
joining
Jat
they are
Muslim
nervous or
unity
we are
is
nervous?
back.
अरे
Is
भाई,
that spooking
जो
you?
लोग एक दूसरे से हाथ
The
मिला
Jat
रहे हैं,
Muslim unity is
जब
back.
बुरा
Is
दौर
that
आता
scaring
है,
you?
देखिए एक दूसरे
Are
के
you
जानी
losing
दुश्मन
Western
भी,
Uttar Pradesh?
जब बाढ़ आ रही हो,
Western
आंधी
Uttar
आ रही हो,
Pradesh
तो एक
is
छप्पर पे आके
gone.
खड़े हो जाते हैं।
Is that the
तो
reason
मैंने
you're
मुझे
nervous?
याद दिलाया ये दोनों लोग किस लिए आ रहे
भाई
हैं?
साहब,
और
आंधी,
समाजवादी
तूफान,
पार्टी,
ये
you
सब
are
छोड़िए।
consistently speaking.
आप
I was not
बताइए, why did you
speaking.
take back the
I was
farm
not
laws?
speaking in front
Why
over
did
in
you
each
take
other.
back the
Sudanshu and
अरे भाई मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ
Anand.
ये समाजवादी पार्टी
Abhishek,
ऑडियो
Abhishek,
क्या तरीका है लगातार
Anand, what are you doing?
आपको पता है समाजवादी पार्टी ने 32 इयर्स में सबसे ज्यादा यूपी में रूल किया तो समाजवादी पार्टी
audio
14 इयर्स और जलवाय जलाल के साथ थे ये सबसे
Audio
ज्यादा
आप
रूल
yes,
किया अगर
correct.
2003
Major
ऑनवर्ड्स
party.
देख ले तो बीजेपी का 5 साल और उसका हटा दीजिए तो
समाजवादी
9 साल
party has
बाद में
ruled
रूल
Uttar
किया है
Pradesh far
और
more
उसके
than
बाद आज
BJP.
छोटे छोटे दलों के पास
We will
जा
rule
रहे हैं
Uttar Pradesh
हु इज
far more than
नर्वस
BJP.
सर हु इज
We will
नर्वस
continue
मुझे
to
जवाब
rule
दीजिए
Uttar Pradesh far
अरे
more than
कांग्रेस से
BJP.
हाथ मिला चुके
The people
बसपा
brought
से
you
हाथ
back
मिला
after
चुके
25 years.
अब छोटे छोटे
And the
दलों के
people are
पास आ रहे
regretting
हैं
that they
एंड यू
brought
आर
you
सेइंग
back.
दैट बीजेपी इज नर्वस
The people are regretting bringing
भाई
you
आप
back.
तो कह रहे थे आप लंदन
You
से
have a
पढ़े
weak-
हुए
no, no,
हैं
one minute.
थोड़ा लॉजिक
One minute.
Mr.
One
Modi
minute.
is making Mr. Yogi look weak.
अरे और दोनों
Mr.
का audio,
Modi is
please.
making
What's
Yogi
going
look
on?
very weak,
I want to
unfortunately.
ask a question,
I would
please.
say Mr. Modi
just a minute,
is a
just a
political
minute, please.
liability for
Just a
Yogi.
minute.
Can I come in,
Just a
please?
minute.
One more thing. One more
Okay,
thing.
all right, all right.
Regarding घर वापसी, I
Abhishek,
would like to say,
Abhishek, my
अरे
question.
पहले अपना घर order
Abhishek,
तो
my
कर
question.
लीजिए। ये तो
My
बता दीजिए
question.
ना पिता पुत्र
नहीं,
भाई
my
भतीजा,
question.
कौन किसके साथ है पहले ये तो
सुधांशु,
clear
एक
कर
मिनट।
लीजिए, तो
सुधांशु,
फिर
एक
बात
शांत
करिए।
हो जाइए।
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी एक मिनट
शांति शांति
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी एक
तपस्या
मिनट 1 मिनट
तपस्या
One-
करिए
I-
तपस्या
आप-
तपस्या
तपस्या तपस्या करिए ओके अब सब तपस्या करिए क्योंकि मैं सवाल पूछने वाला हूं आप सब शांत हो जाइए योगा करिए मैं सवाल पूछूं थैंक यू क्वेश्चन इज वेरी comment has been made by right now a comment has been made Ajay the problem is that you know a comment was made which needs a clarification right now right here on the program and the comment was made by Abhishek who said Jat Muslim unity. I repeat, viewers, in this country, I always say put the country together, bring the country together, Rashtra Sarvopari, nation first. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. No, I will complete my point, then you will respond. अभी लॉजिक की घर वापसी होगी रीजन की घर वापसी होगी
break that unity
मेरी बात सुनिए
why did BJP break that unity in Western Uttar Pradesh?
no Abhishek you be quiet Abhishek
We are
no
made up of
I want no 1 minute
We are made up of
nobody's stopping me now
I
viewers
have nothing to
1 minute
clarify.
a comment has been made a comment has been made you have to clarify because I'll ask the question then you'll clarify it has been told to me in a country where we're always told rise above religion rise above community rise above caste
We are never
a
told,
person
actually.
is openly saying Ajay Alok a person is openly saying on India's most watched news program you know what he's saying Jat Muslim unity I say national unity
Arey, on Republic Bharat,
he
you
says
discuss
Jat
caste
Muslim
politics. Just because
no,
it's an English channel,
this
you
is
don't want to
what do you
discuss
mean?
caste.
Jat Muslim unity against
Just
whom?
because it's an English
what do you mean by
channel,
Jat Muslim
you
unity
don't
as a
want to discuss
national unity?
caste.
No, why
on
not
Republic
Jat
Bharat, there is-
Muslim? Why not Jat Muslim? This, that, everyone's
Can I-
unity. What do you mean by
Can I
what do you mean by Jat Muslim unity? What does he mean? What do
Can
you
I
mean by
speak?
Jat Muslim unity? Are you trying to
Hindu-Muslim
are you trying to
unity.
put communities against communities,
Jats are
religions
not
against
Indians.
religions? What do you
I'm
mean?
talking about Hindu-Muslim
You
unity.
actually said that? Jat Muslim unity. This country must talk about unity of all religions and communities. And a politician comes on my program, he says Jat Muslim unity. What do you think he was? Is that what the young people in this country hear? Is that why from school we are told the country is one? The nation is one? So that politicians like you can come on TV programs and say, "Hum Jat Muslim unity karenge." Against who?
Unity was broken by the BJP.
What do you mean against who?
That unity was broken by the BJP.
No, 1 minute. You said no. So then unite everyone. Why Jat and Muslim? Why Jat and Muslim? Ajay is running away. Ajay is running away. Ajay bhag raha hai. Ajay is running away. I'm getting calls from people right now. What do you mean by unity of one community? No, I'm sorry. This is not done. This is the thinking of political parties that I am opposed to.
Mr. Abhishek, can you listen? Mr. Abhishek,
you are opposed to. Then why do you support the BJP?
How dare you?
You shouldn't support the BJP.
One of the most patriotic community. No. How can you compare all these things? One of the most patriotic community of this country, Jat, who suffered because of your government apathy, and there was a communal violence in Kairana, which no one can forget. And at that point of time, then Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, was enjoying party in Safai.
Big debate.
Why there has been no Kairana in the last 5 years? Can you tell me? Can you tell me why there has been no Kairana any place in UP in the last 5 years?
You tell me something.
There was
Nitish Kumar is
sponsored by the government. You guys, on the basis of
debate, BJP or leaving?
No, excuse me.
When is Nitish Kumar walking out of the NDA?
Compare Nitish Kumar, okay?
When is
in
Nitish
Bihar,
Kumar walking out of the NDA?
There has not been a single incident of
Abhishek, you are being cornered.
Understand? There has not been a single incident of riot. You guys sponsors riot. Akhilesh was doing party when Kairana was happening. Why? And you talk of Jat Muslim unity. Don't you have any shame left in you?
When is Nitish Kumar walking out of the NDA?
There is
when is Nitish Kumar abandoning the BJP?
What Azam Khan did. Why police action was not taken.
Tell me.
Why there was exodus of Hindus from Kairana?
When is Nitish Kumar
What you did in 5 years of your rule in UP, you have made UP a hell. And you expect Jat Muslim unity. And you are shameless enough to speak on a national TV. Relax.
Yes.
There has not been any riots in Uttar Pradesh for the last 5 years. It has gone on the path of development.
Muslim unity.
And just because of you are favoring one family, the family rule is not going to come back.
Tell me.
Development.
You want to talk about development? I don't know why this guy from Bihar is on this program about Uttar Pradesh.
बेवकूफ नहीं है अभिषेक जी.
Bihar on a program about Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, relax. Guy from Bihar. Guy from Bihar. We are going to contest in Uttar Pradesh.
Why is a guy from Bihar on a debate about Uttar Pradesh?
We are going to contest in Uttar Pradesh.
Comment after comment tonight, viewers. 1 minute.
Look at this regional.
1 minute. You heard that, Shantanu. Now he says, why is a guy from Bihar on a debate about Uttar Pradesh?
He's such a narrow prism.
He says, why is a guy from Bihar talking about Uttar Pradesh?
It's a valid
Then I should ask Tanveer Ahmed not to come on my program.
People from Hyderabad can come to Uttar Pradesh. People from Delhi can come to Uttar Pradesh. People from Bengal are flooding in Uttar Pradesh. But guy from Bihar cannot
Anybody can come to Uttar Pradesh.
What kind of logic is that?
Anybody is welcome.
What kind of parochial logic is that?
Sorry, Reena, 1 minute.
In Goa.
No, Reena in the middle, please. Reena, I am asking you. No, 1 second. Reena, please listen to me. I'm not talking to anyone. I'm talking to Reena. I'm talking to Tanveer. 1 minute. Abhishek, just wait. Hold your horses, okay? Please. Relax. Reena, I'm telling you once again. In your very presence, first, a comment is made brazenly, Jat Muslim unity. Aam Aadmi Party, both before in India Against Corruption, used to carry the national flag in its protests. Not the flag of any community. Followed by which Abhishek, your prospective ally, can we have Abhishek on the screen, please? It doesn't matter if I'm not there. I want Abhishek on the screen, please. He then goes on to say, why does a guy from Bihar talk about UP? I'm sorry, there's a lady from Delhi. She's talking about UP. And Reena, you're not telling him anything? What kind of parochialism do you want to start here? Why don't you object? Object, Tanveer, object. For
can I
God's
speak,
sake,
please,
object.
before Reena comes?
When
Reena
things
got
like
an-
this are being said on a national program.
Arnab,
No, Tanveer, what's
one
going
second,
on?
Reena. Reena, you got your chance. Let me just speak. Reena, 1 second, Reena. 1 second,
parochial and
Reena.
a hatred
I
thing
think
he has.
the
The party
barrister
represents.
from
No,
London.
no, my point is you all want to
No,
defeat
the
Yogi. It's
barrister-
fine. Please defeat
Sir,
Yogi.
1 second,
But just to
1
defeat
second,
Yogi,
sir.
you will allow this? Just, no, I'm saying to
Arnab,
defeat Yogi, you'll
Arnab.
say, we want Jat Muslim
Arnab, can I
unity. We don't
just
want
get
national
1
unity.
minute, please.
No. Then you'll
Arnab,
say,
let me
how is a
say
person
Arnab.
from Bihar, how is a person from Bihar talking about
I
UP?
do not agree with divisive politics at all. A simple line. We do not, Aam Aadmi
Ma'am,
Party
1 second,
does
Reena.
not agree
Reena,
with
Reena,
divisive
1 second,
politics.
1 second, Reena.
As simple as that, Arnab. I hope you got
Arnab,
me plain and
Arnab.
simple and clear.
My
No
God.
divisive politics.
I've heard you.
Reena, can I
Tanveer wants to
Let
say
me just
something.
say, when
Tanveer
we-
is making
when
his
we
debut
look
on the
at
program.
5 years
Arnab.
of BJP, what does
No,
it stand
Tanveer.
for? It
Tanveer, you need to
stands-
understand
what
one thing.
has
See,
Yogi
Tanveer.
ji
See,
done
Tanveer.
for
I'm
5
very
years in
democratic.
UP?
1 second. 1 second.
Farmers have been killed.
Yeah.
Youth of UP
Yeah.
have been killed. You know, so it is.
1 second,
the alliances
Reena,
don't matter.
Reena,
It is
Reena,
the
my
people
God.
of UP, the voters of UP who are tired of Yogi. They are going to throw Yogi out. And Bharatiya Janata Party knows
All right,
this very
Reena.
well. They are
I think we
very
need to
scared
really.
right now.
We don't need
They
to
are
repeat.
nervous right
We don't
now.
need to repeat, Reena. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second, Reena. 1 second. I think the barrister from London got carried away. I think it is a wrong statement as a politician, as a person who's supporting a political fraternity.
Yeah.
I absolutely object, knowing Akhilesh Yadav very personally, being a translator between Deve Gowda and Mulayam Singh Yadav. I don't think neither Mulayam Singh Yadav nor Akhilesh Yadav would support Jat Muslim unity. We need Indian unity, we need Uttar Pradesh unity, we need development. And second thing, a guy
There you
from
see,
any
stand
part of
corrected.
the country has absolutely
What are you
right to
talking
speak
about?
any part
Do you
of
know
the,
anything about
country.
the history of
That's an
Indian
important
politics?
issue.
Do you know anything about the history of Indian politics?
Oh.
Do you
Are
know
you talking
anything
to
about
me?
the history of Indian
fight
politics?
Are
breaks
you
up.
talking to me,
Are
Mr.
you going to
Barrister?
turn a blind eye to the alliance built between Chaudhry Charan Singh?
Mr. Barrister?
Oh my God. Tanveer, we're on the same side, bro.
Mr.
We're on the
Barrister,
same side.
I think
All
caste,
right, we're on the same side.
caste is not
He
an
says
issue
we're on the
to
same
get
side.
He says we are on the same side.
Yogi versus all is crumbling already on
Achha,
your
I have
TV
a question.
screen.
Shantanu.
We are
Shantanu.
absolutely on the
Yogi
same
Shantanu, my
side.
question is, how are they going to run a government like this?
Absolutely on the same side. The side is Indian side. The side
We
is
have
on a
seen-
development
we
side,
have
not
seen
on a
all
I am
these
not
hands
going to run a
together.
government, Tanveer.
We have
Yes,
seen
we are
all
on the
these
same
hands
side.
together.
We are at
in
the
the
same
awarding
side.
ceremony of
Akhilesh
Mr.
Yadav.
Kumaraswamy.
I want
Only
Akhilesh
party
Yadav
which
to
is
become the
against
chief
India
minister,
is the party
but not on the
that
basis of
each
caste,
other
not on the
after
basis of
Everybody else
religion,
is
not
on
on the
the
basis
side
of.
of India. One India, united India.
See,
No, but
this
you're
is the
all
condition
united
of Yogi
against
versus
Yogi.
all.
I am
Please
at the
don't tell
side
me
of
you're
India, as
united
the
for
lady
India.
rightly
No, no,
said.
Shanta.
I think the mismanagement of Yogi is enough
okay,
to present
okay,
to the
here's a-
people of
okay, okay.
Uttar Pradesh to
Okay,
show
Reena,
Yogi was a totally
Reena,
unfit chief minister.
Reena.
He has absolutely shattered and destroyed
Okay,
Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, Reena. Okay, Reena. Okay, the question is to Reena. You see, so I'm going to Sudhanshu. Look at Sudhanshu. He's got a smile on his face. He's looking relaxed. Usually when a party spokesperson does not get a chance to speak. एक मिनट सुधांशु जी जरा इसका मैं वर्णन कर दूं हिंदी में. जब पार्टी के प्रवक्ता को बोलने का मौका नहीं मिलता है तो बड़े से परेशान हो जाते हैं, पसीने आते हैं, गुस्सा आता है, हाथ पहले ऐसे उंगली ऊपर उठती है, फिर मुक्का दिखाते हैं कि गुस्सा आ रहा है. Fact of the matter is, however, today Sudhanshu Trivedi is sitting very relaxed. And I'm telling you why he's relaxed. He's saying, ye chalne do. You see, Reena, Sudhanshu Trivedi is an experienced political fellow. He's saying, ye thoda aage, inka jo ye keh rahe hain, express train chale. Right? Because what is happening, Reena, is that the more everybody comes together against Yogi, it will always benefit Yogi. You have seen what happened in the general elections. I'll tell you, if everybody comes together against Kejriwal, it will benefit Kejriwal. It is a fact. It is a fact. Because the persona on the other side gets a halo. Right? Sudhanshu Trivedi, what are you thinking?
No, can I respond?
Are you looking at the maths?
question was
Mathematics
for me.
dekh rahe hain?
I would like to say one thing.
No, the question was for me.
No, but I want him to comment and then I'm coming to you. Yeah, it is in a way to you, but after he comes here.
मैं पहले बोल लूं, उसके बाद आप बोल लीजिएगा. देखिए, एक तो आपके पैनल पे बैठे हुए हैं एक जनाब जो पढ़े हुए हैं लंदन में और मिर्च मिलाए चंदन में, क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं सबको दिखाई पड़ रहा है. दूसरे उनको यही नहीं पता कौन दुश्मन है कौन दोस्त, तनवीर जी पर ही चढ़ गए जाके।
अभिषेक
तो आप
सुधीर।
ये समझिए कि इनकी यूनिटी तो यही डिबेट में दिख गई है कि किस कदर ये नर्वस है कि किसके ऊपर तलवार चला दे, कोई भरोसा ही नहीं है इनके ऊपर। खैर, अब मैं आता हूं नाउ कमिंग टू दी न्यू पॉलिटिक्स, कमिंग टू दी समाजवादी पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स। अरे भाई, कमिंग टू दी जाट मुस्लिम यूनिटी, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क, मुजफ्फरनगर में जब कहा था सिर्फ एक केसेस विड्रॉ करेंगे, तो ज्यादातर केसेस तो जाटों के ऊपर थे, भूल गए वो? और कैसे मुजफ्फरनगर का केस शुरू हुआ था? एक लड़की थी जिसके साथ गलत हो रहा था, अन्याय हो रहा था, उसके परिवार वाले गए बात करने के लिए, तो उनको पीटा गया। आजम खां का फोन आया, उल्टा लड़की वालों में केस दर्ज हो गया। चलो छोड़ो उस बात को, छोड़िए। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, जाट मुस्लिम यूनिटी की बात करते हो तो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी को सबसे ज्यादा जमीन दी राजा महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह ने, आज तक क्यों नहीं रिकॉग्नाइज किया अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी ने? अरे सुनिए, लगातार मत बोलिए, आप लगातार बोलते चले जा रहे हैं, बहुत सुन लिया आपको। सुनिए, आपने अपनी किताबों में लिखा कांग्रेस के जमाने में कि राजा सूरजमल ने इतनी लूटपाट कर दी थी आगरा दिल्ली के हाईवे के ऊपर कि जिसकी वजह से मुगलों को उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करनी पड़ी। शर्म आनी चाहिए। अगर औरंगजेब के जमाने में सबसे बड़ा एक किसानों का मूवमेंट हुआ था जिसका नेतृत्व वीर गोकुल सिंह ने किया था, जिसको वीर गोकुल जाट भी कहते हैं,
जाट मुस्लिम यूनिटी इज बैक
औरंगजेब ने, और उसके बाद आप खड़े होकर अल्लाह अकबर बोल रहे हैं, ये जाट मुस्लिम यूनिटी की बात करते हैं। शर्म आना चाहिए। अरे बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं भैया, यूपी के बारे में कुछ पता है? अरे ये पूरा गांधी परिवार यूपी के बाहर का था और आके यहाँ से प्रधानमंत्री बना। शर्म आनी चाहिए। आप बोल रहे हैं व्हाट इज डूइंग इन यूपी। मध्य प्रदेश के थे, यहाँ से आके प्रधानमंत्री बने, और मोदी जी गुजरात के हैं, यहाँ से आके प्रधानमंत्री बने। यूपी का अपमान कर रहे हैं अगर इस तरह की बात करते हैं। पता कुछ नहीं, पता नहीं।
चौधरी
लंदन की बात,
जयंत चौधरी said no thanks.
सुनिए,
Jayant Chaudhary said no thanks to the BJP. Jayant Chaudhary said no thanks to the BJP. Jayant Chaudhary said I will never ally with the BJP.
किधर देख रहे हैं, किधर बोल रहे हैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
समाजवादी Rajbar is with Samajwadi. Kejriwal will soon be with Samajwadi. Mamata Banerjee will be Samajwadi. अपना दल is with समाजवादी. The people of उत्तर प्रदेश are with समाजवादी. 22 में बदलाव होगा, 22 में इंकलाब होगा, 22 में सपा की वापसी होगी. The bicycle is back.
मेरे भय से
अखिलेश जी आ
घाट
रहे
का
हैं,
पानी पीते हैं।
बाबा मुख्यमंत्री जा रहे हैं. He's not calm today, Mr. Goswami. He's nervous. The moment they took back the farm laws, they accepted defeat. The taking back of the farm laws was an acceptance of defeat. It was an acceptance that Akhilesh Yadav will return as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.
The dejection is visible.
Okay, viewers on the debate.
22 में bicycle.
Okay, viewers, I don't know who's nervous. I'll show you a number. Kamru Chaudhary, see this. Kamru Chaudhary, see this. देखिए, Kamru Chaudhary, see. Everybody see.
ज्यादा अच्छी है या पंजा, ये बता दीजिए।
अखिलेश यादव जिंदाबाद.
मेरे को बोलने का समय नहीं मिला।
पंजा.
Reena is saying something. Okay, bring Reena in. Bring Reena into the debate. I'll just tell you, Reena, I'm bringing you into the debate. I'm bringing you into the debate, and I will give you on the program tonight something which all of you want, which is a super alliance mathematics. 1 minute, please. Please show viewers the graphics full frame, Super Alliance Mathematics. If there is an alliance today, the numbers. Please, viewers, please see. SP 22%, RLD 1.8%, SPSP 0.7%. I put all possible ingredients together into the melting pot. 1 minute, Reena. I put sub parties ko main mila deta hu. Everyone put together. Right? You have 52 seats right now, and in terms of vote share, you have 24.6%. BJP 2017 vote share 40%, which means you need a 10 to 15% swing for this alliance as a whole. You need to transfer every voter individually, and if Owaisi comes in, he brings another 0.2%, right, to the vote share. And my question to you tonight, and the nation wants to know, Reena Gupta, from you, what does the Aam Aadmi Party have in common with Asaduddin Owaisi? Ajay Alok, doesn't the nation want to know?
Arnab,
I say the nation wants to know.
I invite you to, Arnab, I invite you to come to UP and talk to the people of UP, Arnab. I am from UP. I can tell you every household in UP is tired of Yogi government. And Sudhanshu ji knows that. The Bharatiya Janata Party knows that. They are very, very nervous. You know, after Corona, after Encounter Raj, मतलब जब उनको दिखाई दिया कि मनीष गुप्ता जैसे बिजनेसमैन की आप पुलिस के द्वारा मर्डर करवा सकते हैं, हर हाउस होल्ड इस समय चाहता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को निकाल के बाहर किया जाए। क्योंकि सबको डर लग रहा है कि इसी तरह का 5 साल का राज हम और नहीं देख सकते। कोई नहीं भूला है कि किस तरह गंगा मैया में लाशें तैर रही थी। हर एक फैमिली इंपैक्ट हुई है इससे, चाहे आप किसानों की बात कर लीजिए, चाहे आप महिलाओं की बात कर लीजिए, चाहे आप युवा की बात कर लीजिए। कोई भी एक वर्ग ऐसा नहीं है यूपी में जिसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ आक्रोश नहीं है, गुस्सा नहीं है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी समझ चुकी है।
रीना, where's the man? हो गई बात। रीना, अच्छा रीना जी आप बताइए, आज केजरीवाल जी आके टीवी पे क्या बोले? आज केजरीवाल जी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किस बात पे थी? वो आके ये सब बोले जो आप बोल रही है, या आके ये बोले कि अब हम अपनी जो यात्रा करवा रहे हैं धर्म स्थलों की, उसमें अयोध्या को भी शामिल कर लिया है। फिर उन्होंने कहा हम अब एक बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति एक अटेंडेंट भी ले जा सकेगा। फिर उन्होंने आके कहा कि ट्रेन का रजिस्ट्रेशन 3 दिसंबर से शुरू हो रहा है, और उन्होंने कहा चिंता मत करना, ट्रेन भर जाएगी तो दूसरी चलवाऊंगा, तीसरी चलवाऊंगा, चौथी चलवाऊंगा। काहे चलवा रहे भाई? आप जो कह रहे विकास की बात तो कहने बोल रहे, 2-4 चीजें मुफ्त बांट देते, पर उन्हें पता रहा है कि ये मुफ्ती से कुछ नहीं होने वाला। और विकास की जो बातें आप टीवी पे कह रही हैं, अगर केजरीवाल को इसमें यकीन होता तो आज वो बैठते बोलते ना, काहे कहते कि हम यात्रा चलवा रहे हैं और एक अटेंडेंट भी जाएगा, 4 ट्रेनें भी चलवाएंगे, ये कहने के लिए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया।
Clearly, the first point, Arnab, the first point that I want to make here, कोई बोलता है अपने आप को हिंदुओं का ठेकेदार, कोई बोलता मैं झाट मुसलमानों का ठेकेदार, but the main point that out here, कौन ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स का ठेकेदार बनेगा? It is among the 3 lowest state. In the 3rd lowest state in Uttar Pradesh is Uttar Pradesh Human Development Index. The state gross domestic product is below India's average. Who is going to speak for that? कौन बनेगा इसका ठेकेदार? For the last 27 years,
so that's talking about gross domestic product, but the UP is number 2.
No development.
अरे बिल्कुल गलत बोल रहे हैं। Gross domestic product of UP is 21 lakh crore rupees.
In 4 years,
it is next after Maharashtra. And you are talking about below national average.
Arre, don't go in
more than Karnataka, more than Gujarat.
Average, sir.
Reena is also on the debate right now.
India's average, I said. Not above Karnataka, below Karnataka.
Right to our government.
Where is the human?
7,000 rupees.
Reena is on the debate. Reena, how about the party?
50% of the children in UP are malnourished.
You have to withdraw your statement.
जो आंगनवाड़ी का दलिया तक आप लोग खा गए, 50% बच्चे यूपी के malnourished हैं। आप कोई अपना
अरे भैया, हमने कोरोना काल में बैठकर सिर्फ 150 करोड़ रुपए का प्रचार नहीं किया है।
अस्पतालों की बुरी हालत, स्कूल्स की बुरी हालत, आंगनवाड़ी की बुरी हालत, उसको आपने क्या होता? इश्तिहार दिल्ली में इश्तिहार लगवा रहे हैं।
Okay, everyone, Reena, I have a few minutes left. Reena, I have just a couple of minutes left. I must ask a question. I want to show you a picture. And the picture is of Akhilesh meeting Sanjay Singh. Picture very nice. You know, optics very good. Ajay wants to speak for 10 seconds. Your time starts now.
I have 10 to 15. I just want to say 10 seconds. You asked me how Arvind Kejriwal is going to align with Asaduddin Owaisi. It's very easy and very simple, Arnab. They already have many Asaduddin Owaisi in their party, starting with Amanatullah Khan, starting with Badruddin Khan, starting with Nusrat Khan, who most of them were accused in Delhi riots.
Tanveer is on. Tanveer hitting back. Tanveer.
So they have
what are they talking about? What are they talking about?
It's very common.
Get out of the
so
TV
ultimately they are coming back to the same old pitch. Ultimately they are coming back to the same old pitch. And I'm telling you, Aam Aadmi Party is no different. It's the same old party now. Aam Aadmi Party का आप से नाम बदल के साफ कर लीजिए. आप से नाम बदल के सोप कर लीजिए. Same old party. Same old party. अरे उत्तर प्रदेश में आपको अखिलेश 5 सीट भी देंगे, 5 सीट भी मिलेगी आम आदमी पार्टी को अलायंस करके।
जिसको चाहे उसको आप गोली छुड़वा दीजिए,
नहीं देंगे अखिलेश।
अखिलेश 5 सीट चला दीजिए, आपके मिनिस्टर
प्रेजेंस दर्ज कीजिए। सुधांशु जी ने ठीक कहा।
Okay. I'll tell you one thing. People say, Arnab, people say, सुधांशु एक मिनट ना मुझे बोलने दीजिए. People say to me, सुधांशु जी एक मिनट हाथ जोड़ के बोल रहा, आप जरा रुक जाइए 2 मिनट में. 2 मिनट में आप मुझे हिंदी में बोलने को, मैं जब भी हिंदी में बोलता आप रुक जाते हैं. आप देखिए जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एंकरिंग इन हिंदी दीज डेज. पूछता है भारत में, कई दिनों से एंकर नहीं कर रहा हूं रिपब्लिक भारत पर, आने वाला हूं वापस, आपको आमंत्रित करूंगा वहां पे. हिंदी में कह रहा हूं दोस्तों, भाइयों और बहनों, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. दिस पिक्चर इज मिसलीडिंग. द पिक्चर ऑफ संजय सिंह मीटिंग Akhilesh is misleading. Tell me why. I'll tell you why. This is a reality show. You know something? You know, this is a reality show. My show is a reality show because I show the reality. You are showing me the picture. Tell me on both sides of the picture, bring the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson and the SP supporter on the screen, please. Viewers, I'll tell you why, Reena, this is a reality show. देख के लग रहा है कि बहुत बड़ा सुपर अलायंस बन गया, राइट? अखिलेश, देख के लग रहा है ना? अब आपको बताऊं, 2019 के चुनाव में अकॉर्डिंग टू माय इंफॉर्मेशन, आम आदमी पार्टी कंटेस्टेड 4 सीट्स और 8,642 वोट, 8,642 votes all across UP AAP got. Only 8,642 votes.
The Samajwadi Party is the senior partner.
But you don't worry.
The Aam Aadmi Party will be a very formidable junior partner. It's going to be
they got 8,000 votes.
I hope the alliance happens. भाजपा का सफाया होना है, भाजपा का सफाया होना है, और सफाया के लिए झाड़ू की जरूरत है.
Arnab, why don't you come to Uttar Pradesh?
Tour UP, I am in UP right now.
Exactly.
No, I am in UP. You're in Delhi. You're in Delhi. I am in UP. Even right now, I am in my studio in UP.
Well,
I am in UP. I don't have to tour UP. मैं तो UP में
the BJP has to be swept out.
I'm sorry, I need to
the
get
BJP has to
मैं
be swept
निकलता हूँ
out
बाहर.
of UP.
मैं निकलता हूँ बाहर. मैं स्टूडियो के बाहर निकलता हूँ. मैं स्टूडियो के बाहर निकलता. आप नहीं निकलते. I go out of the studio. I go out of the studio. मैं 3 दिन पहले मैं गया था पूरे यूपी के थ्रू मैं 4-5 घंटे घूम के आया हूँ. मैं हमेशा यूपी में रहता हूँ. आप नहीं जानते यूपी के बारे में.
अनब, मैं हिंदी बोलूंगा, मुझे 30 सेकंड का समय दीजिएगा प्लीज. मैं भी हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे 30 सेकंड का समय दीजिएगा प्लीज.
Yeah, I have to close. Yeah.
आज की चर्चा का सारांश,
तनवीर, come to the
आज
point.
की चर्चा का सारांश इतना ही है कि अखिलेश नहीं, आज की चर्चा का सारांश इतना ही है कि अखिलेश से बीजेपी डर गई है. बीजेपी के भी छोटे छोटे 11 गठबंधन थे, अभी वो आखिर 7 हो गए हैं. अखिलेश यादव जी चल रहे हैं. वो किसी कम्युनिटी की अपनी जो उपलब्धियां थी और अपनी जो उपलब्धियां थी और योगी की
मुझे लग रहा है
उसके ऊपर आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर बनेंगे.
मुझे लग रहा है कि आप लोग मुझे हिंदी चैनल में मिस कर रहे हैं. मुझे लग रहा है with all the propensity of speaking Hindi, I have to go back on Republic Bharat soon. Ladies and gentlemen, Yogi versus all debate number 1, and on the other side, Parambir Singh emerges. They say he's in Chandigarh. Question is, ladies and gentlemen, how can someone disappear and emerge when they want? Is this the way to behave? Is this the way to evade the law? Mock the criminal justice system in the country? Is this an example being set in our country? Are people watching? Will we still do nothing? Much more on the disappearing and vanishing act of Parambir on the other side.